I think the same applies to homework on Fronter as it does, you know, that they take home in their book. You have to be creative with the homework. You have to set out, I think, with that uppermost in your mind, is that you want to engage them and it has to be fun and enjoyable. If they think that they're having fun, then you're more likely to get the homework in. And I think the same premise applies on Fronter. And having set some homework that was a bit bland and not getting many responses, I quickly realised that the more fun you could make the homework, the number of responses was great. And the number of children that you can see logging on, I mean, Education City is another example, but on Fronter, you know, and the forums as well, you know, the number of children that just want to comment, they want to see their name on it, they want to be part of, you know, the conversations that are going on is excellent. So it does come back, as you say, to making it fun and creative.
The children are definitely more engaged and enthusiastic about doing their homework, because previously it was sort of a sheet of paper in a book and go and do the research. And it's funny how asking the same question but it being online suddenly changes the whole dynamic and makes it a lot more interesting, and they're more excited about doing it and raring to. I mean, they're using the same skills, apart from the fact that they're not writing, they are typing, which again is a skill that they'll need when they come out of school in some jobs, to be able to manipulate the keyboard. So that helps, but it's interesting the way that you could have a question on a piece of paper, but yet it being on the screen. This whole interaction with the screen is what excites the children and has got them really enthusiastic about doing their work.
Well, I was really quite surprised. I think the first time we set the homework for the children, I think within 3 minutes of them getting home, they had already done their homework. So they were very, very keen and interested in doing it themselves.
They're always very excited about their Fronter homework and the contributions that they've given in the forums. They'll come in and say, Miss, did you see what I wrote on there? And I'm like, yes, I've seen what you wrote on there, which is really great. And the thing is that they could be silly about it if they wanted to, but they're not. They actually go away, do the research, make some valid contributions. The child that's uploading it will read the thread that's there first and put, well, yes, but I think, and then you'll have a little discussion going on there. And heaven forbid if I put the homework on late, because I'm very quickly reminded that it wasn't up there and you said it would be on Friday. So they're very enthusiastic about going home and getting that done.
Every child in the school is able to log on to Education City each Thursday or Friday, do a maths game, a literacy game and a science game. And that was a real eye-opener. Children who hated homework, didn't want to do homework, were desperate to do it. Those without internet access, we give time for them to actually do the homework in school.
Obviously teachers are a bit reluctant to let go of the more traditional method, but I think again you just have to be creative in the way that you set the homework and expect the children to accomplish that homework. But I see that the direction that we're going in, because you know, if you think 10 years hence, it certainly may well be the way that, you know, children do their homework. They do it all online. I don't think it takes away, you know, those skills of handwriting, because we'll still need to do those, but certainly, you know, for that all-in-one package, if you like, it's certainly going in that direction, yeah.
If they're keen and enthusiastic, and if it gets their homework done and gets them into it, you couldn't ask for more, really.